Hello everyone! This week on Summer Reading Club Science, we are going to make a rain cloud in a jar. For this experiment, you will need a glass jar 3/4 of the way full with water, shaving foam, food coloring, an eyedropper, a mixing spoon, and some clear water. Your first step is to mix the food coloring with clear water. Next, take the shaving foam and top up your jar of water. Make sure there is at least 1 inch of foam over the rim of your glass or jar. Next, take your colorful water and eyedropper and slowly drop colored water on top of the shaving foam. Wait a few seconds in between and add more water to the top of your cloud. The more water you drop in, the more rain has to come through. You will start to notice the colorful water seeping through the shaving foam cloud and starting to mix with the clear water underneath. You can continue adding as much water as you like. How does it work? The shaving foam cloud represents the density of a real cloud. The colorful water is like rain. It has to work its way through the dense cloud to come out in the clear air underneath. Have fun trying this one at home. Let us know in the comments how you made out. Thanks for watching, everyone!